All right, babes, while I am sharing, let me share with you this. You know that frustration when you grab the TV remote, your wireless mouse, or your grandkids or kids' favorite toy, and the batteries are dead. I got tired of spending money over and over on packs of disposables, so I decided to level up my battery game. And I want to thank Granicell for sending over this 8-pack of high-capacity rechargeable AA batteries with the Smart 8 Bay charger. Let me tell you something. Total game changer. First off, the charger is smart. It automatically stops charging when the batteries are full. So no overcharging, no overheating. It's USB fast charging, so I can plug it right into the wall adapter, laptop, or even a portable power bank when I'm on the go. And because it holds 8 batteries at once, I'm always stocked and ready. And I love these batteries. They have no toxic junk in them like the older batteries. And they last a long time between charges. Now, instead of running to the store in a panic, I just swap in a freshly charged set and keep it moving. It's not only saving me money, but it's saving me the headache of dealing with dead gadgets when I least expect it. If you've been throwing money away on disposables, trust me, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Y'all, I love this. I love this. I had to share. And there you go.